camera's not working. It's all like blurred. Oh,
Back up, get some speed. So you're catching that same line Fernando did. How's it look?
You look good.
Dad.
I think tying to the
Daddy,
passenger once you drop. And straight, yeah, that's good. Ooh, minus the bumper. It's bumper.
Dad, I'm not coming.
Your underbelly.
Yeah?
Fuck you, Ren.